brave explorers! Today we're diving down, down, down into the dark and spooky deep sea. Let's meet 10 of the scariest deep sea creatures. Are you ready? Let's go! Anglerfish. Anglerfish use a glowing fishing rod on their head to lure prey in the dark. Scary and sneaky. They live thousands of feet below the surface where it's pitch black. Gulper eel. The gulper eel has a huge mouth that can stretch like a balloon to swallow big prey. It can stretch wide enough to swallow fish almost as big as itself. Its stomach also expands to hold the size of its prey. Vampire squid. Don't worry, it doesn't drink blood. Despite its name, the vampire squid doesn't suck blood. It eats floating debris. It has glowing eyes that can look red or blue depending on the light. It looks spooky. Giant squid. Wow, the giant squid! Giant squids can grow over 40 feet long, longer than a school bus. They have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, the size of dinner plates. It lives deep where no sunlight shines. Fang-toothed fish. Here's the fang-toothed fish. Its teeth are so big, it can't even close its mouth. Fang-toothed fish have the largest teeth compared to body size of any fish in the ocean. They look scary, but they're actually only about 6 inches long. Luckily, it's only about as long as a pencil. Dragonfish. Meet the dragonfish, a real deep-sea dragon with glowing lights and sharp fangs. Dragonfish can make their own red light, invisible to most other creatures. They have long fangs that make them look like tiny sea dragons. Fearsome, but tiny. Frilled shark. This is the frilled shark. It is called a living fossil because it has barely changed in 80 million years. Look at all those teeth. It has 300 sharp teeth in 25 rows. Hatchetfish. The hatchetfish glows in the dark and uses its big eyes to look for food above it. Hatchetfish have flat, silvery bodies that shimmer like mirrors to hide from predators. Chimera. Ghost shark. Here's the ghostly chimera, strange and spooky with ghostly, smooth skin. They live so deep that humans rarely see them alive. They are the deep-sea cousin of sharks. Blobfish. And finally, the blobfish. On land, it looks funny and droopy, but underwater, it's just a regular fish. Blobfish look squishy and sad because of the pressure difference when they're brought to the surface. In their deep-sea home, they actually look more like normal fish. Poor blobfish. Wow, the deep sea is full of spooky creatures. Which one was the creepiest to you? The anglerfish, the gulper eel, or maybe the blobfish? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more underwater adventures.